Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a founder of Glowby, the most powerful Gen AI assistant for software creation. So if you want to develop an app, you talk to Glowby. In this video, we're going to translate our web application that we created in the previous episode, Unit Converter, into SwiftUI code using Glowby GPT. And we're also going to use this crazy feature that lets you tag any custom GPT in a regular chat. First, I'm gonna mention Glowby GPT in ChatGPT and ask it something like, "Hey Glowby, can you please translate our web application unit converter into a SwiftUI application?" Now I'm gonna attach our unit converter JavaScript application and I'm gonna press enter. Next, I'm gonna ask Glowby to return the complete code of the Glowbom AI extensions for this app, because sometimes Glowby can obfuscate some details. Next, let's go to glowbom.com and create a new project. We specifically need to create a custom project. Let's name it Converter and export code as SwiftUI. Next, we need to open the code in Xcode. Now we need to replace AI extensions file and copy paste the code that Glowby GPT generated for us. This looks actually pretty good. And now we're gonna launch the project on the simulator. Okay. Looks good. So let's try to translate 100 meters into kilometers. Okay, that seems to work. How about 1,000 kilometers into miles? Okay. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching the video. See you next time.